Hi guys, in today's video we are going to go through the recent updates and the new prompts that work perfectly fine with Bart AI. In this particular video we're going to focus on the creative side of Bart AI. In the previous examples and case studies, you want to make sure you saw them or you watched them on our channel. We went through different business strategies, business analytics, and more on the e-commerce, dropshipping, marketing strategy. Today we're going to create some creative images, okay, something amazing. So let's dive in. Create a surreal landscape with a huge moon in the background and long road similar to the Nevada desert roads. Also include a vintage sports car on the road. Let's see what is going to happen now, guys. You excited? So far, so good. This is what is the actual prompt look like. Can you create an image? Let's see, can we create an image with this particular prompt? That's not something I'm able to do yet. So I can just use the prompt you created or what? It's very interesting because if I scroll back up for you guys, you will see what they said, okay? This is like a story. The road, Dimitroma, they call it, was a forgotten, suspended, gathered. It's like a story, guys. Road 66. It curves its shape, shadow. The driver, a woman with the eyes green, the desert sage, a window, red, with him. The landscape itself seems to be twisted and worse. So it's like, okay, got it. Unfortunately, I don't have enough information to answer your question. I have created a okay, that's good. So, based on the story above, can you create a audio version of it? Imagination, guys, this is what makes the difference between success and failure. We're going to hit certain obstacles, but what we actually do to go around them, it's what makes something very, very well. I don't have enough information to that. I need some story itself to be able to craft the... Okay, here is the story. Here is the story. Let's select all that. Okay, let's get this one. Copy. Here is the story. Paste. Boom. Let's see. Barte asked for something. We give it. Sure, here's the story. Continued with Audi twist. So essentially, guys, you can create your own stories. You can create your own fairy tales, and you can probably publish it somewhere. Because this is cool. This is something that people will be excited to watch. You can create a series, right? You can say I'm gonna publish every Tuesday and Thursday, and people know on schedule that if they're interested, they have to show up on your blog post, on your website, on your channel. This is amazing. I even come up with more ideas how I'm going to implement this in the future. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.